Hello, this is Phil from Dad Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cup of coffee using one of these Nespresso Vertuo pods. We're going to find out how to make even better coffee for 1/10 of the price. Keep watching to find out. I used to think great coffee meant doing this. The coffee tastes good, but because it's been made in a coffee pot on the stove, it's got no crema. I'm going to show you how we can make a coffee which tastes great and has got the crema on the top. So first of all, take one of your old used Nespresso Vertuo capsules. You'll see the holes have been perforated in the top. Take a knife and carefully cut out the top and peel back the foil. Tip out the coffee and then give it a rinse. Now we've got a reusable container which we can put our own coffee in. First of all, grind some beans. I'm using Colombian Supremo from Lidl's. Grind the beans. Place your empty container on an egg cup. Now, using a teaspoon, fill the empty container with your freshly ground coffee. Freshly ground is always better because it retains all of the natural oils and it hasn't dried out. It's as fresh as the coffee can be. Use the back of the spoon to push the coffee into place. Next, take some ordinary cling film. This cling film is about 30 centimeters wide. Using a pair of scissors, cut your cling film off at about 15 centimeters or half the width of the roll, and then cut that in half again. Take your coffee pod, lay the cling film over the top of your coffee pod and pull the sides down. Gather the sides at the bottom and twist to tension the cling film. So now my coffee pod is held in place with the cling film and the cling film is tucked around. Now you can make these and store them. They'll be perfectly fresh because the cling film is keeping the air out. So you can make these in advance. Next, let's put them into the machine. Take your Nespresso coffee pod and load it into the machine, making sure the cling film is all underneath. Lower the machine, press go. You'll hear the machine make its usual noises, and because the Nespresso machine uses high pressure, we're achieving the caffe crema on top. You can only achieve this with high pressure, which is why my Italian coffee pot doesn't have the creme on top of the coffee. And I think that it's this that makes the coffee so amazing. Give this a go, and I'm pretty sure that you'll thank me for it. Okay, let's compare the 2 cups of coffee. This is the coffee made in my Italian coffee pot, and this is the coffee which is made in my Nespresso Vertuo machine with the hacked pod. Now, let me just show you that I haven't cheated. That is definitely my coffee pot with cling film and my own freshly ground coffee. I'll now take this off, wash it out, put the coffee grounds onto the garden, and I'll use it over and over again. If you found this helpful, then please press like and subscribe, and hopefully you'll see some more useful tips on Dad Stuff channel. Thanks for watching.